Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool rolling desk. It's like a 19 by 26 by 30 inches desk, mobile desk, and rolling for sure. As you can see, it has wheels that are super smooth, I have to say. But the best thing about this one is could be a mobile desk for sure. You can put it in if you're sitting on a couch or if you're sitting on just a chair or something like that. You can just sit like this with your knees, your legs underneath it, which I think it's pretty cool. So you can use it, for example, with a laptop. And as you can see, this is a pretty big laptop. This is a 17 inches gaming laptop, and I still have room for a mouse if I want to use it, and to put a drink, to put a cell phone or something like that, because as I was saying before, this is 19 by 26 by 30 inches, so it's pretty big to use it as a mobile desk. For sure, as I was saying before, it has wheels, they're super smooth, and the assembly process was, look at this. This is the only thing that counts for the assembly process. It took me, I think it was no more than 10 minutes. So it's in existence. You can do it like pretty fast with or without power tools. But the best thing about this one, let me show you. It comes with a handle right here on the side that you can actually use to extend it and use it as a standing desk. I think this is awesome. Just because for sure, for things like working from home or something like that, you can actually take with you on the go, take this with you on the go and take it to the kitchen, to the living room, to your home gym, to your bedroom or something like that. In case that you're having something like a meeting, you can actually walk with this and you can use it as a mobile desk, as you can see right here. So that's actually pretty good. Again, you can see that it has enough room to put a mouse right here, your drink, your coffee. You can actually push this a little bit more if you want, just like that, and put a keyboard right here if you want. Oh, and by the way, you see that this keeps moving, but actually right here on the side, it has a lock. So you can actually use the lock on the wheels and unlock it again to keep this away from moving. I think this is pretty cool. I like it for those purposes I was saying before. And then to use it back again as a regular desk, you're gonna see right here, you just do this, push it back, and that's it. So I like this one, super versatile. You can take it with you on the go to work in different places in your house if you're working from home, or you can just use it as a student desk or something like that. Super versatile with enough room. Actually, the wheel's super smooth and the structure is very firm as well. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.